In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use execution on screen in TradingView, allowing you to manage your trades more efficiently. Let's dive right in and get started with connecting a broker or setting up paper trading, both of which are necessary to access the trading functionalities within TradingView. Begin by opening the trading panel, which you'll find conveniently located at the bottom of your screen. Click on the tab labeled Trading Panel to expand it fully, revealing a comprehensive list of all available brokers. Here, you have the flexibility to either connect to a broker of your choice or opt for TradingView's built-in paper trading feature. This paper trading option is fantastic for those who want to practice trading strategies without the risk of using real money. Once you've made your choice, then go ahead and click the connection button for your selected broker or the paper trading account. You should see a green light signifying a successful connection. With connectivity established, it's time to move on to the execution panel, where you'll find the Trade button now visible next to your account in the Trading panel. Click on this button to open the Order Entry window, sometimes referred to as the Depth of Market or DOM. This is where the magic happens. To place a trade, you'll begin by specifying the number of shares, contracts, or units you intend to trade. Setting up Take Profit, TP, and Stop Loss, SL orders is an excellent practice to automatically secure profits or limit potential losses. These can be added directly in this panel. Once your order details are entered, use the Confirmation button to review everything carefully before executing the trade by clicking the final Buy or Sell button. This step ensures that you are fully aware of the transaction details before committing. A unique feature of TradingView is the ability to execute directly on the chart. With your broker or paper account connected, you might notice a small plus sign appearing directly on your chart. Clicking this icon allows you to initiate a buy or sell limit order swiftly. Once you've placed an order, you will see a transparent line representing your limit order on the chart. You can easily drag this line up or down to adjust the price level as needed. Furthermore, if you have an open position or an active limit order, you can drag the stop loss and take profit lines directly to your desired price levels. This visual interaction with the chart makes managing your trades intuitive and straightforward. Additionally, if you want to move the entire bracket order at once, simply hold the Shift key while dragging either the Take Profit or Stop Loss line. By following these steps, you'll find executing trades on TradingView both intuitive and efficient, giving you more control over your trading experience. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!